You've probably heard the term Silicon Lifecycle Management a lot lately and wondering what does it mean for my design as well as my end product. Now the term is less important than what is it achieving, which is all around optimizing the performance, the reliability, and the efficiency of semiconductor devices or their end systems through their entire lifespan, from design through manufacturing test, as well as deployment into the field and beyond. It involves gathering and analyzing data at every stage to gain insights to improve chip-level quality, reducing operating costs, as well as enhancing performance as well as security. And the data can come from all sorts of sources, whether sensors, DFT logic, IP blocks, as well as other monitors for functional or performance. And these are located anywhere across the SoC, and their relationship becomes vitally important. While each company and product are different, we're seeing commonalities and approaches across market segments. And this journey, in many ways, has parallels to the early days of DFT, where Tessent has innovated with the emerging market demands. In that journey, we have provided a solid foundation of technologies like compression and SSN, while providing specializations for particular markets like automotive-grade ATPG. To understand the health of the silicon, you need to measure it with best-known methods. And to achieve this, DFT is a foundational building block. In that, we are providing ways to measure the health of the digital silicon through ATPG, through memory BIST, and other BIST technologies deployed through our SSN network. We're able to also do functional monitoring with our embedded analytics technology while the chip is running. And looking forward, we're incorporating third-party sensors as well as in-house monitors with our IJTEG-based technologies, and looking for ways to incorporate those in new features. As you can imagine, data transport is an important component of any SLM strategy. In that, we've been leading the way with SSN as a way to transport test data into a chip, and have been extending that in system with our in-system test controller, which allows you to apply scan data in functional mode. Now, data analytics and data orchestration become a vital component of your SLM-based technology, and we're able to do that through our various technologies that I mentioned previously as a way to apply data into a chip, to orchestrate when tests occur, both in test mode as well as in functional mode, and lastly, how to export the data. And then what you do with the data, with data analytics, also becomes vitally important, which is a way to how do you continuously monitor, as well as how do you correlate between the various modes of operation throughout its life cycle. And this will lead to a predictive maintenance of your end system and understanding how things change over time. Now, the last component of an SLM strategy is really around security. And how do you understand how to keep your devices secure or your supply chain secure? And in that, we are doing things with how you access the chip, as well as at each of the subsystems, as well as how is the data transmitted from the chip for various root of trusts. As you can imagine, Tessent and Siemens are a vital part of your SLM strategy, and we're evolving with these emerging requirements and looking forward to meeting those challenges as we have with other markets. Please reach out and we can discuss them further. As you can see, Tessent is addressing the SLM challenges today with our ecosystem of solutions. And we are looking forward to all of the emerging challenges which are part of SLM. We look forward to hearing your challenges and finding ways to address them.